Loktak Pat Kanabiki Panada Nambul River Rejuvenation Program Satarakwa Nambul Turelifim Pagalakle, Manipur, Lagan and Imphal River Rejuvenation Program, Masiki Damakta, Lupakro Sam is from Kaitolhan Environment and Climate Change Principal Secretary Arun Kumar Sinha Fondokre, Wahomasi, Director of Environment and Climate Change, the Sindra Tabum Masuna Satarakpa, World Environment Day 2025, Thorum Lotion Mikiton the Fondokibani. City Convention the Pangtok Patamada Arun Namaka Taradana, Ising Nung Sitamadi, Lebak Lehauda, microplastic Yaus Latana, Mubiki Haksang, the Yamna Sound of Sing about Moirake, plastic pollution of Samudrada, Lady Banga Yauna, Zibaki Punsi, the Yamna Sauna, Sing about Moirake, plastic out of Makalmakaki pollution, sing a sitting in a Honavada, Langa Kaktan Honabiaroi, Masida Mahiroi, Self Help Group, saying local club organization of the Lebak Miam Namato in a Wakal Tamina Matotai, Haina Fondoke. The Environment and Climate Change Director Dr. T. Brajakumar Yauna Makuktam official saying Manipur Pollution Control Board ki Member Secretary Dr. W. Roshan Yauna Sports saying SSC ki Mihut Tongan Tonus Kulam the College Sing Yoza the Mairu Sing Sargyake Taramadu Mari Lane SSC the College Sing Mihut Sing Da Plastic Bottle Bank Sani Kusinaki Taramadu the Environment Day Gamari Lane Pangtokipa Poster Madi Symposium Competition Sing the Makumatang Takrabas in the Mana Yen Toki Lena Han kon tarak pasing dabana yentoki amarom da thorom aduki manung sanna mahut department principal secretary NG Uttamna Landamasi College Assembly University Mahiro Singi 3D model exhibition on environment management and conservation amasupang thoki
and all this pollution that we are putting, which is going to the Loktak, we need to do something. I guess government again has done something in Nambul river treatment, which was really in a bad shape. With our project, we have spent near about 100 crore and we have set up STPs. So most of the nala that which was flowing directly to the Nambul river, we are able to tap those and treat it. And now we are treated water we are releasing to the Nambul river. So the water pollution of Nambul river has really gone down and it will definitely improve the water quality going to Loktak. A similar project we are going to have for Imphal river also. Government has sanctioned almost 100 crore. Similar project we will be doing for Imphal river also. So government is doing its bit. It's not that we are not doing, but that's not enough because this is something where we need help from each one of you.